It's time to give life to these fire doors. First of all, I've lightly sanded the varnished fire doors to remove any roughness and wood chips to smooth it all out. Look for any holes that needs filling. Apply wood filler and leave to dry before sanding off any excess. Now for the priming, I'm going to use the Zinsser Bullseye 123. A primer sealer and stain killer which is best for any wood. Using a foam sleeve roller. Apply the first coat and wait for 30 minutes, then apply the second coat before painting. Now the colour we went for is satin grey. Satin, which is also known as semi-gloss, is the best paint for interior doors because it's easy to clean the doors and produces a finish that lasts for a very long time. Feed the foam roller with enough paint and work your way through. When the first coat is applied, wait for 12 hours to fully dry and then apply the second coat. For the 4 doors treated, it took 1 full litre of primer and just less than half of satin paint remaining from the 2.5 litres tin. Any dried paint marks on the glass can be easily scraped off. Final touch-ups were done after installing the doors. Overall guys, I'm pleased how we went from an old unappealing door to a modern clean look. Take care, peace.